Alright you guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be taking a look at Auxbeam's 42-inch curved LED Philips LED light bar, and we're going to do an unboxing, show you just the fit and finish on this light in general, go over the spec data, and then once it gets nice and dark out, we'll go ahead and fire this light up so you can see just how powerful this huge light bar really is. And I will be throwing a link to this down on Amazon where you can buy this from Auxbeam's official page. If you don't follow the link though, I would highly suggest that you watch my video on comparing a real versus a fake Auxbeam. That way you know, I show you exactly what to look for and what to stay away from when you're buying light bars on Amazon. And to go ahead and make sure that you're getting a quality Auxbeam light. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this guy open here. And yeah, this is how they sit. All of Auxbeam's lights that I've ever received have all sat inside of these styrofoam blocks, basically, that suspend the light in the package instead of using a bed. And so we'll go ahead and pull this monster this thing's heavy, this monster light out, and as you can see, you've got your little box of goodies. It is a side mount LED light bar, and it comes with the mounts, washers, nuts, and bolts for both the light bar and wherever you're mounting it to, so that you can mount it, and once you do get it mounted, it's pretty much adjustable up and down to rotate it. So let's go ahead and set you guys down here so we can get this guy unwrapped here. You just take these blocks off. And slide the styrofoam case off of this. And just like that. And this is a monster LED curved light bar here. So, yeah, that's, like I said, it does have the Philips bulbs in it. And the fit and finish is absolutely fantastic on this light. And where is it here? Forgot to mention in a couple of my other videos, but where is it? Oh, maybe it is maybe it's a different design. Yep, right there. There's a little hole for it. That's the pressure release valve. Okay, so the older style, it sticks out a little bit further, and it's silver, but the new ones are coming with black. And I think they did that just to make it look more uniform, but you can see the little tiny hole maybe in there. And basically that's a one-way check valve, so if moisture did ever find its way in here, it has a way out. So that when the sun basically hits it, you get the greenhouse effect, and it basically bakes off all the moisture, and it has a way to escape right here without letting any in. So that's why they have those on there. It's a really cheap insurance policy to make, because it's a depressing feeling when you get your brand new light bar in your truck. Looks fantastic, and then it rains and really humid outside, and you got light in there. Trust me, I know from my last ones. So yeah, the fit and finish, like I said, is just fantastic on this stuff. It looks like a quality light in here, and there's no visible wires or any like hack job looking type deal showing up through here. And that yellow reflection that you're seeing there is actually the LED chips in there, the LED lights coming through the fisheye convex lenses from Philips, and just fantastic output on this thing. So but like I said, once it gets nice and dark out, we'll fire this thing up so you can see just how powerful this light really is. So let's go ahead and go over the tech data on this, and let's see. So the tech data for this light: it runs on 240 watts, puts out 24,000 lumens, works on 10 to 30 volts. Benefits of LEDs, so even you diesel guys can run it. 80 individual LEDs that run on 3 watts apiece. IP and dustproof waterproof rating of IP67. Color temperature is a pure white 6000K. Working temperature is -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. Beam angle, spot 30 degrees and flood is 60 degrees. Size width bracket is 44.7 by 4.9 by 4.3 inches. The material is extruded aluminum with a high profile transmission polycarbonate lens. The mounting brackets are, like I said, on the side with a 90-degree angle and adjustable. And the lifetime is about 50,000 hours on this light. So it's going to last you pretty much the entire life of the vehicle, assuming nothing happens to it. And, you know, has all the little, indications that this is an official Auxbeam A by the trademark stamp right here, Auxbeam. And you also do have a very nice thick power cable that you will need to hook up to a wire harness or build your own. And yeah, you've got the basically little God, I lost it. Little pressure release valve. Here you go. And it looks like they made it serviceable now too, that you basically stick a little flathead screwdriver in there and take it out if you need to change it. The check valve in there, that's the word I was looking for, check valve. So but yeah, so that's the technical data out of the unboxing of it, just how gorgeous it looks. And so once it gets dark, like I said, we'll fire this thing up and show you just how bright it is. And also I will be throwing a link to this down on Amazon where you can pick this light up if you so choose, for whatever application, whether it's on your Jeep, car, truck, anywhere. So but yeah, let's go ahead and switch to nighttime. Alright, so finally dark outside. We're going to go ahead and put this 42-inch curved light bar to the test. Just got everything set up out here, and we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up. So going to go ahead and put the ground on and be prepared to be blinded here. This is a huge light. Okay, so 42-inch curved spot. This is a monster light here. I mean, this is for you Jeep guys, everything else that are actually on the trails. I mean, this thing is just a monster light. Sorry, I had to blind one of my friends. But yeah, this thing is seriously freaking bright. I mean, it is just lighting everything up. I can't get over that. I mean, it's lighting the tree up 3 houses down, and cutting through the fog, a little bit of fog that's going on out here. So not too bad. This thing is extremely powerful and extremely big, so it's really meant for you full-size guys. But so that's the light. Like I said, I will be putting a link to this down on Amazon where you can pick this up, and be sure that you watch one of my latest videos on how to tell real from fake Auxbeam. That way you make a good decision when buying a light bar. And with that being said, take care guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.